Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to open an interactive broker's account. First, gather your identification documents like a passport or driver's license and proof of address. Next, decide on the account type that best suits you, whether it's an individual, joint, or retirement account. Then, proceed to fill out the online application form, ensuring all your personal information is entered correctly and completely. Once your application is submitted, you'll need to fund your account. You can choose from several methods, including a wire transfer, ACH transfer, or even a check. During this stage, you'll also define your trading experience and investment objectives, which helps interactive brokers tailor services to you. Finally, set up your trading permissions for different asset classes, such as stocks, options, or futures, to begin trading. After funding, carefully review all the information you've provided to ensure everything is accurate and complete. Interactive brokers will then begin their verification process, which typically involves checking your identity and financial details. This step is crucial for compliance and security. Once verification is complete and approved, you will receive a confirmation email, and your account will be fully activated and ready for trading. With your account active, it's time to explore the powerful Interactive Brokers trading platform. Take advantage of their extensive educational resources, including webinars and tutorials, to sharpen your trading skills and strategies. Remember to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals. Start trading confidently and make informed decisions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.